just be an overwhelmingly, it's going to be the perfect product. And then we're looking at a very specific capability of composite construction equipment. And those get into the thing with. And what Boeing could bring is
We really do.
I'm Ron Woodard.
Yeah.
It's my pleasure to
Welcome
meet
you.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Good to see you again.
Yeah. How are you? 好吧。你好，你现在
朱主任太小了。
请坐。
Time to talk to us.
Well, it's a pleasure to have you visiting us.
Well, it's our pleasure. We've had two very, very successful and very good days here.
This is your first visit here.
I was here about 15 years ago.
I see.
And it's a totally different place than it was 15 years ago. And then about 2 months ago, I came here just through the airport. Another trip very soon. We scheduled too many appointments. And I've told there are many good golfers here in Taiwan. And I'm trying to learn to play golf.
You haven't time.